Of my life trying to connect Unity and VSCode today, and I thought I might share this info with you. So if you're on macOS Catalina, maybe lower, I'm not sure, and if you've installed .NET SDK MonoFramework successfully, all of those, like Unity and the version specify, Visual Studio Code, MS.NET Tools, CS# extension in VSCode called CS#, like here's how it looks. You may experience that OmniSharp is the tool that is powering this extension is failing to use your MonoFramework, which fails Intellisence and a lot more. Like, let me restart and try and show you. What do I mean by that? Rigid body, no rigid body for you, babe. So that's what I mean. And a lot more, but I'm not sure on that. OmniSharp's logs told me that the issue here is that it fails to use current mono version, which happened to be false alarm, like you can see it here, like failing, not found the version, blah blah blah. And if you make OmniSharp log levels, where's the logging level, to be debug, and if you restart it, you can see the I can use install mono version because it's not running it, blah blah blah, whatever, I don't care. The real issue is that the OmniSharp is not really using install mono version, and you need to explicitly configure to use it. So how do we do that? Is that we go to settings, like to VS Code's user settings, searching for OmniSharp settings with OmniSharp keyword. It's not applicable to workspace because it's like different, like a global setting, whatever. You need to find use global mono and to set it to always and to restart OmniSharp. If you do that, it'll successfully run and propose you rigid body. Yeah, now it's working. Great. Thanks for watching, guys, and goodbye.